Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS video update. Okay, so the last time that I actually left out the AXS update was this level right over here, the 60, that this 60 level should have been held, and the bull flag got invalidated, by the way. Okay, you broke the flag and you start to drop to the downside, and what you did instead is you made a little bit of a continuation sideways pattern to go to the downside. So what's the technical target out of this? You know, some sort of a bearish rectangle that's gonna be taking you, I'm gonna just show you right now for bringing in the trend line. It could be going from there to there, and it might have a huge drop to the downside and a technical target to the downside as well. So oh man, I don't know why it's not dragging the drawing. Okay, so from there to there, that's actually looking to drop down to $26. Yes, $26. And to give you an idea why is, if I go to the Google right now, we do have the bearish rectangle. So I'm going to show you this bear rectangle, and from there I'm going to show you this one. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so when the prices are moving to the downside and they start to consolidate sideways a little bit and then they start to break to the downside, that's a bear trend. Okay, so you are doing the same thing pretty much for AXS right now, which is actually really bad. And the targets are actually now meant to go all the way down to $25. I would love to enter AXS once it goes down to the $25. That would be amazing. And it seems like, yes, it's gonna do that and come down. It has been extended in the previous history as well. People are so bullish. I think the downtrend is actually there, and we're going to continue with the downtrend. As a matter of fact, watch the Bitcoin update today, because Bitcoin is not looking so good. And when Bitcoin is not looking so good, it is going to affect all the altcoins in general, even including AXS. As a matter of fact, now AXS has lost $42. And I do remember giving you this as a stop loss, that if it does take out $42, that's it. It's going to go way more down. So I do expect it to come down to this technical target, logical target right there, to the $25. If it starts to make a bullish candles from this level, I'm going to try to even take an entry myself. That would be a nice good discount for me. I would like to take 10, 20, 15% to the upside and cash out my profits. So that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.